Hey everyone, want to give your videos with cinematic blur effect? Here's how to use the depth effect in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut and here tap a new project and select a video clip from your gallery and tap Add. Then scroll through the bottom menu and tap Effects. And here go to the Video Effects tab. Then here in Effects menu, search for the depth or portrait blur or focus or basic or lens. Then tap Applied Effect to adjust the strength, position, or the blur intensity. And here you can move the effect layer on the timeline to fit the part that you want. You can also enhance the depth mood by adding a soft background music or cinematic title. And that's it. Now your video has a smooth pro level depth. Follow for more CapCut tricks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.